Okay guys, today I'm gonna review absolute value and opposite number with you. So let's just get to the definition. Absolute value is distant away from zero. Okay, so it's a distance away from zero. So when I write absolute value, I'm gonna put this in the bar. What if I'm looking for the absolute value of 3? Okay, so this is 3 and distant away from 0. So we're gonna see how far from 3 to 0. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Okay, what if I'm looking for the absolute value of -6? Okay, absolute value of -6 is the distance away from 0. -6 away from 0 is 4, 5, 6, 6 unit. Okay, now absolute value is also can be a decimal, because it's gonna happen for rational number and irrational number as well. As long as it fit in the number line, we count it. Okay, what if I'm looking for absolute value of 4.5? Okay, so this is 4.5 and the distance away from 0 is 4.5. Okay, so distance is never being negative. All right, so that is absolute value. What if I'm looking for the opposite of, let's say, -7? Opposite of -7 is 7. Okay, what is the opposite of number, let's say, 5? So opposite of 5 is -5.